Today's project is an e-bike battery. It's a Freego. There's no voltage marked on this. I've had a quick look around, but the charger does say it's 42 volts, so we'll assume it's 36 volt battery pack. What do we have here? One charging port. Well, it slides into the frame probably. A fuse and a key. The please ignore me label, do not. There's that side. Where's the output port? Is it on this side, is it? There you go, plus and minus. I think I've seen a gauge on this side. Anything? Oh, part of one red light. Yeah, so nada. The complaint here was that the battery was powering the lights only, but not the motor. That's what she said. She can get any probes in there. So 33 volts for a 36 volt pack. One thing I noticed when I was carrying this, I don't know if this can be heard, hold on, I'll shake it from side to side. That battery pack is loose in there. I'm sure I heard something like a nut or a small screw or a big blob of solder on one side as well. This is the charger for it. Are you focusing? I think it's my eyes is blurry, so 42 volts 2 amp. Whatever make that is. And a hot beverage of choice when I'm working. Cheers. I've attached the meter to the charger. It's 42 volts. And connecting the charger to the 3-pin XLR to the battery. It's going up in voltage. It's obviously, well, it looks like it's obviously charging. Any lights on the charger? There you go. For charging. Let's take that out of the battery, see so that shows green. Yeah, it's a green unplug, so yeah. I think what I should do is leave that for a few hours, see if it charges. Now that can't be right. It's been charging for about half an hour. It's turned green. It's gone up to about 36.5 volts. So this pack probably has some cell issues. That's the exploded view of the inside. There's this little piece of plastic that was rattling about inside. Some more plastic bits come off. This is from the back of this connector. And these terminals are loose, but I don't want to short those out. The back of the box. How's that broken off? Careful with that. This is the back of the broken output connector. See, there should be a plate on the back there. At least the screw's still there. Looks like the pack was stuck down by a bit of hot glue on the heat shrink on the end. When the heat shrink breaks, that was free to move about. I'll have to take it apart and see where the BMS is. Pouch cells! That's the end of the road for this battery pack. There's one big swollen pack down here. Can you see that one? It's dead, Jim. There seem to be 20 cells in there, 20 pouches. There's possibly 10 in series, 2 in parallel. 10 series give me 36 volts, 2 in parallel. Don't know what the capacity is, but it doesn't matter, because I won't be able to put one new one in there. This is going to be a resell job. This is my ultra compact battery voltage meter, individual cells. I hooked it up to the balance connector coming off the battery pack. It is a 10S, but the last wire isn't connected to this. It's connected straight onto the board, but I've measured that. That's on about 4.1 volts. You can see that one's missing. I actually measured that, it was on about 3.3 volts. These are self-powered, so it needs about 3 volts to work, so obviously dip down below. That's most of the cells are okay apart from that one. I'll have a word with the customer and see what she says.